Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title below, today we're having a blizzard taste test. But before we get into it, if you guys like videos like this, leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and let your friends know, let your grandma know, let everybody and their mamas know. And let's get into this video. I just dropped by Dairy Queen and it's so cool that you guys can get mini blizzards instead of full-on blizzards. These mini blizzards are $2.89. Dairy Queen, if you guys see this video, sponsor me because I'm helping y'all out. You guys notice the quality looking a little bit different today. I am recording on my iPhone. So the flavors I have today is Wonder Woman Cookie Collision. And then I have Animal Cookie Blizzard. And then I have a Cotton Candy. I have already tried the cotton candy and I think it's 10 out of 10, best thing ever. They really should just make it a staple on Dairy Queen's menu because I think it's just like the best. But you know, if more people eat it, they'll like it. So let me go ahead and try. So first thing I'm gonna try is the animal cookie. It looks pretty good. Wait, that's cotton candy. It looks pretty good on the menu. So you guys know, like those animal cookies that you buy in those little bags for kids. Ooh. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and stir it up before I start eating. Oh. So I really like it when my blizzards are super mixed in there and a lot of the toppings. I pretty much know the owner over here and he's really stingy. Here's the cookie. First bite. So this really just tastes like animal cookies and like milk. I'm gonna give that one a 2 out of 5. Yeah, I'm gonna give that animal cookie a 2 out of 5. Not a huge fan. All right, let's try this Wonder Woman Cookie Collision. So I gotta tell you guys, you know how I work at a dental office? So apparently one of my coworkers in the front tested positive for COVID. So now I have to get tested. I have an appointment scheduled at this Walgreens drive-through. So I'm gonna record for you guys what is going on and what's happening. And I'm gonna let you guys know the results, the whole protocol, what they do and all that good stuff. So this is the Wonder Woman cookie. There's just a bunch of different cookies in here, like cookie dough and Oreos. This one's a lot better than the animal cookie. You actually get chunks of the cookie dough. This is pretty much vanilla ice cream and cookie dough. I'm gonna give Wonder Woman cookie a 3.5 out of 5. It's pretty good. I definitely pick it over the animal cookie for sure. And the last but not least, the best one of them all is the cotton candy. Ooh, look at this, y'all. See that? Y'all see that? This is so good. The cotton candy tastes so sugary, but it has like this like vanilla, this really good vanilla taste to it. If you guys go out and try this cotton candy, let me know what you think. Oh, wait. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on the COVID testing. I will most likely record the entire process and show it to you guys this weekend coming up and tell you guys the results. Typically results take 5 to 10 days depending on the location that I go to and the type of testing there is. And I also have a girlfriend that already went and got tested, and she's waiting for her results. They told her it's going to take about 7 days or so. So technically she should be quarantining right now. So I don't know what she's going to do technically. But I'm going to keep you guys updated. I'm going to record the whole process because this is definitely something to remember. I feel fine since I was working with this coworker and she tested positive, even though I had my mask on, and I was pretty much safe from being around her and touching her. Since I work with her and I was in her air and she was in my air, I still have to go get tested. I don't feel any symptoms right now, but of course you guys know it's asymptomatic. Yeah, so I have to go get tested, and I'm gonna let you guys know what goes down. That is all for my video. I kept it really simple for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the ice cream. I enjoyed 2 out of 3 of them. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Press that notification bell to help me out, and let your friends know, let everybody and their mamas know, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.